Hello students, good morning. Class 6th, first chapter knowing our numbers, and the next topic is estimating sum and difference. In last video, we discussed about the round off of the given number to the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. And now in this topic, we will estimate first the given number and then we will find the sum and difference of such estimated numbers. So, see what is the general working rule for this. If the given number contain 2 digits, round up to nearest 10. For example, if we have the given number is, let us suppose 14, then to round off this number, we will round off to nearest 10 because it containing 2 digits, that is ones is 4 and tens is 1. Now if we have to round off this number, then we will see the ones number which is 4 and it is less than 5. So we will round down. So round down number will be 10. If the number is, for example, 18, then it contains 2 digits. So to round off, we will round off to nearest 10. In case of nearest 10, we will see the digit at once, which is 8 and greater than 5. So we will round up to this number. So this will be replaced by the 0 and the tens digit will increase by 1. So the round off digit will be 20. So in this way, if the given number contain 2 digits, then round up to the nearest 10, which is the most important working rule. If the given number contain 3 digits, then round up to the nearest 100. And if the digit is, number is containing 4 digits, then round up to the nearest 1000. Then this type, we will use this general working rule for the estimating of the given number, and then we will find the addition or subtraction as per the required. So first example, here see, question is that estimate 539 plus 863. We have to estimate first these 3-digit number and then we have to find the sum. So these both given number are containing 3 digits. So first of all, we will round off these two number to nearest 100. And to round off to the nearest 100, what we will see? We will see the digit at tens place. So first number is 539 and this number is containing 3 digits. So we will round off this number to nearest 100, and to round off any given number to the nearest 100, first of all, we will see the digit at tens place, and the tens place digit is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So we will round down. Now 9 will be replaced by 0, and this 3 is because less than 5. So these 2 digit will be replaced by 0 and the next digit will unchanged. So nearest number will be, or the round off to nearest 100 will be equals to 500. Similarly, the second number is 863. So here the digit at tens place is 6 and which is greater than 5. So we will round up. then these two digits will be replaced 0 and the next digit at 100 place will be increased by 1. So the round off number will be, so round off will be equals to 900. Now what we have to do? We have to find the sum of these two numbers. So first number is your 500 and the second number is 900. So now sum will be equals to 500 plus 900, that is equals to 1400. So in this way we will estimate the number and then we will find the sum of given number. Now we will take one more example. Next question is, find the difference of question number second, 6475 minus 3728. Here see, in the given problem, the total number of digits in the given number are 4. So the first number is 6475 and the given number containing the 4 digit. So we will round off this number to nearest 1000. To round off any given number to nearest 1000, we will first observe the digit at 100 place. So here 100 place is digit is 4. How? This is ones, tens, and this is the 100, then 1000. So at the place of 100, the given digit is 4 and which is less than 5. So we will round down. Round down. So these 3 digits will be replaced by 0 and the digit at 1000 place will be unchanged. Leave unchanged. So 6475 round off to nearest 1000 is 6000. Similarly, the second digit is, second number is 3728. Again this number containing 4 digits. So if the given number is containing 4 digits, then we will round off this number to nearest 1000. So to convert any number to nearest 1000, we will observe the number at the 100th place. So 100 place digit is 7 and which is greater than 5. So we will round up. Now first 3 digit will be replaced by 0 and the next digit at the place of 1000 will be increased by 1. So the number 3728 round up to nearest 1000 will be 4000. So these are the estimation of these two numbers now. So the estimation of first number is 6000 and the second number estimation is 4000. And now what we have to find? We have to find the difference. So difference will be equals to 6000 minus 4000, that is equals to 2000. So in this way we will First, round off the given number to the nearest 10 or nearest 100 or nearest 1000, and then as per the requirement of, if we have to find the addition, then after rounding of the given number, we will add the given number, and if we have to find the difference of the given number, then after rounding of such number, we will find the difference. Now next, how we will multiply the given number after rounding off. So in the same way, if we have to multiply the two given number before estimating, then for example, question is that estimate the following and find the product. Estimate the following product. The question is 76 multiply by the 7. So here see, the given number to whom we have to multiply is 76, and the given number contain 2 digits. So we will convert the given number to nearest 10 first. So the digit at once is 6, which is greater than 5. So the unit digit will be replaced by the 0, and the digit at tens will be increased by 1. So estimated number will be 80, and now if we have to multiply this by 7, then 8 7 ja 56. So 560 is your answer. Now next question, if we have to find the product of the given number 24 into 2705. Now see, the first number is containing 2 digits, so it will be estimated nearest to 10, and the next digit is containing 4 digits, so it will be estimated to nearest to 1000. Recall the general working rule. If any given number contains the 2 digit, then we will estimate having 2 digit number to nearest 10. If the given number containing 3 digit, then we will estimate to nearest 100, and if the given number containing 4 digit, then we will estimate to nearest 1000. Now what is the general working rule? Without writing, now you have to solve. So in 2 digit number, we have to convert it into nearest 10. So we will observe the digit at unit or ones. Here ones, the digit is 4. 4 is less than 5. So the ones digit will be replaced by the 0, and the digit at tens will be as it is, unchanged. So the nearest 10 number will be 20. Now see, this digit containing 4 digit, so we will estimate to the nearest 1000, and to change to nearest 1000, we will see the digit at 100th place. But without writing, see, the digit at 100th place is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. So the first 3 digit will be replaced by 0. So here these are the 0, and the digit at 1000 will be increased by 1, because this digit at 100 place is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. So the estimated number will be 3000. Now this product will be 20 into 3000, 3 2 ja 6, and put 40 after 6, so it will be 60,000. So in this way, we will estimate the given number and find the product. One more example we are taking here. So recall what are the general rule to estimate the given number containing 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit. Once again I am recalling, if the number containing 2 digit, round off to nearest 10. If the given number containing 3 digit, round off nearest to 100. And if the given number containing 4 digit, then round off to nearest 1000. And learn the general working rule how we will round off this number. So the next question is multiplication of 36 into 4768. This is the question number 3 for the multiplication before estimating. So here see, we have to multiply 36 with the 4768. So the first number containing 2 digit. So it will be convert to nearest to 10. Nearest to 10. This number containing 4 digit. So nearest to convert nearest to 1000. So before estimating, see the general rule. So nearest to 10, see the ones digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So the next digit will be increased by 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 and ones will be replaced by 0. Here see the digit at 100 place is 7, which is greater than 7 is greater than 5, and here 6 was greater than 5. So this 3 digit will be replaced by 0 and the digit at 1000 will be increased by 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. So the estimation to nearest 10 of 36 will be 40 and the estimation of 4762 to the nearest 1000 will be 5000. Now the multiplication of 40 with 5000, 5 4s are 20. So 20 as it is, count the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 0 after 20. So this will be the required number. Now what will be this number? So count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So it is 2 lakh. So this type we will estimate the given number and then we will find the sum or difference. Now the next topic is estimating quotients. Estimating quotients means when we have given one number and if we have to divide the given number by another number, then how we will estimate first and then how we will divide. So for the estimating quotient, first of all we will use compatible numbers. That is, what is compatible number? For estimating quotient, compatible number. Now compatible number means, for example, if we have to divide the number 87 by the number 8, then the compatible numbers means we will select nearest such number that these two numbers can be easily divisible. So the compatible number to nearest 10 for the 87, if it is divided by 8 will be 80, then 80 divided by 8 equals to 10. Similarly, if we have to divide 100 173 divided by 14, then the computable number nearest to 173 and 14 are 170 divided by 14. So 170 when divided by 14, then its divisible is not possible. So we will take the computable number 180 and then divided by 14. So its quotient will be 15. So in this way, when we have to divide the two given number, then first of all we will take the number as a computable number. Now computable number means if any number is divided by another given number, then we will not use the exact estimation rule. We will take the computable number so that their quotient is a complete number. So, hope you like this video. Please like it and share it.